So this is the one, our collections. So yesterday we created this collection. Okay. So this collection we created. And so if you want to run this collection, either in the, so you want to run this collection. So you need to first export this collection and save it to your local disk. So how to export? So just mouse over on this, click on three dots, and you have a option here, export. So select export. Select export, and then check this radio button, select collection v2.1 radio button, then click on export. Click on export. So export and save this in one of the files. So I have saved this in my one of the API testing info, Newman test. So you will get a JSON file. You will get a JSON file, save it. So I already saved here. Okay. So you save it. So that's the first step. And second step, for example, you have environment variables, right? We created environment variables. So the environment variables also you have to export. How to export? Go to environments and your environment name you select and mouse over on the environment variable name and three dots or ellipses we call. Click on this, export. And same way you save it there. See, this is my environment.json. So that underscore environment means environment variables. Underscore postman collection means all your request. All your request. So this is the first step you have to do. After this, so this is the one step. Next, what you need to do here is you have to install two softwares. So basically, there is a Newman which is used to run your API test case in the command prompt. You can do that. And also, you can run this even in Jenkins also. Same command you can give in Jenkins, it will run. So that means CI/CD pipeline also you can set up there. CI/CD test cases you can run. That's the Postman collection. So if you want to run a Postman collections, so first step, see, running Postman collection from command prompt can be accomplished using a Newman tool, which is a command line collection runner for Postman. Here is a step-by-step guide. How to follow is, see, install node.js. How to install node.js? Just you can go to node.js official website. Just open this. Download node.js, you download. So if you can do, please do so along with me so that you can save the time. So it is taking time, but even you can search in the Google also. Node.js download. See, you can go directly. Here it is. So you can go here. I think it is taking some time, but this is the current version. You can, so any version, you can see same node.js.org. Here also node.js.org. So this is the download manager. See, this is the one. So then, so based on your operating system, Windows, right? So Windows, you can just click on that. You can download it. So download and Windows. So click on Windows and it will be downloaded here. See node.js. So this is the one. You can click on it. It will start downloading. So this one, you can download. In the PowerShell, you can give this. Using
Do we need to do sign up or something?
so you can download directly.
Actually, of the node node.
Here it is. Here it is.
Okay.
Download node.js LTS. So this is the one. See, it will download automatically here. So you can go here and then just double click on this. It will install. See, it's already there. Welcome to Node.js. Migrating features is it will come automatically because please wait while the setup wizard is there. The setup wizard will install node.js on your computer. Next. So install. Next. So next. So next. Next. Install it. That's it. So you don't need to do any changes. I'll just click next, next, next. Automatically. This is the prerequisite for your Newman or any other tool also. Like Cypress or any other tool also, node.js must be there in your local machine. Okay, so this is the prerequisite. Let me give you this URL directly. Please use this. So directly you can download. It's a MS file, and I'll update even our. So let me go to post run postman. So this one, I'll give the URL directly. Okay, done. See, you got a URL here. So you go there and directly download it. Then second step is once it is downloaded, okay? Once it is downloaded. So once it is downloaded, then you need to install second step, Newman. You install the Newman. So let it complete. Yeah, done. So then open your command prompt. You can check what is the version of node. If you want to check version of node, you can just do node -v. CV 20.13.1. That's a node version. So then second step, install npm install -z Newman. So Newman is a command line collection runner for Postman. Install it globally using npm. So this node package manager, npm means node package manager, and install that. So this Newman. So just take this and just go. That's it. So it will install. Suppose if you are not able to run this, suppose you got so Newman not found, right? If you get that, so you set the Newman so in the environment variables. So basically it will be installed. The node is npm is installed in the general in this npm package. You have to set it. So let me go and show you where it will be installed. That path. I'll show you first that one. Go to edit system environment variables. Environment variables. There is a path variable here. Look for the path variable. Edit. So there is a CNPM. This path you need to set in the environment variables. So where is this path? Just copy this. I'll copy this. And you go to the location of. So I'm setting this. So this is the one. Here you need to set it. So it will be available here. This path where it is see users and your username, app data, roaming, npm. Here that npm is installed. Node package manager install, and Newman also will install here. So this path you need to set in the system environment variables. Remember that. System environment variables, if you set, because this path is here, but you are running in different location. So you are running in different location. So we are running where? We are running, see here. Then how it will recognize? So to recognize your Newman in over the entire system, you set that npm path in the system environment variables. That's why you are setting the path. So you need to set the path. So that's another, I will add all these steps also. You need to add path also, npm path also there. That one. So once see this Newman is installed. Once it is installed, there are a lot of steps. You can see that. So export this one we did already collection. See open Postman. So then export collection. Click on the ellipses. This is the ellipses. So these are the ellipses, 3 dots, right? So here 3 dots. These are the ellipses. Very clear steps are given here. Next to the collection name, select export, choose collection v2.1 and click export. Save this exported JSON file to your desired location. That's I stored here. So here I stored. Okay. So run the collection using Newman. Open command prompt and terminal, anything. So command prompt or terminal, you can use run the collection using below command. Newman run the path to the collection. So the path where this path is there. So this path and this collection name you have to give. So that's what I have given here. So let me show you. This is the one. See that? Newman run. So collection name minus E represent the environment variable file. Minus E, the environment variable, minus R for report. HTML report I'm asking to generate. Okay. So that is the HTML report will generate for us. So let's go and run this. And otherwise, first without R, I will show you. Okay, without R, I will show you. So how it will run, you see that. See, collections are running. See, this is the folder and everything. These collections are failing. See that. So number of iterations 1, prerequisite scripts 1, assertions. So total 15, failed 2. So that is the total. These are the 2 things failing. You have to correct it. So that's how you can see. So delete has two test cases. This has a 1 test case. Patch, put. So this is patch, put or failing. The name is not matching, right? That's why it is say 200 okay, 200 okay. So you can see that. Okay. So this is all the collections you are running at a time. You don't need to run one by one. That's the how to run through that. Additional options, as I mentioned, specify environment variables. You can use -e. So if you want to give a JSON, some data file, you will represent with -d. Maybe you are supplying a test data to your collection. You can use -d option. So you want to generate HTML or JSON report, you can use -r flag. So iteration count you want to increase. So you want to run this collection for multiple iterations. You can put -n10. So that's the total command here how you can give. So same thing, same command you can give in the Jenkins also. So you can easily run your Postman collections from the command prompt, enabling automated testing and integration into CI/CD pipeline also. So that's the how to run a collection in the command prompt using Newman tool. So this one you can use in the Jenkins also same way. Clear? Any questions? Are we good? You have to talk. If you're silent, what is mean by that? Are you good or do you have any doubts? Okay. So okay. So the exercise for you is, so do a practice video, create a collection first, run in Postman one by one individually, and install node.js, install Newman, then export the collection and environment variables, and set the path in the environment variable, this npm path, and run your collection, and show me that result like this. So show me result like this. So don't use -r option, just use only, so this one only use Newman, run your collection name, -e, your environment variable. So that's enough. This is the exercise I need you from you both. So, and if you have any doubts, and you can ping me, and I'll help you out. Okay. So we listen our video one more time, and that will help you to solve your problems. And follow this blog also. So this blog you can see here, API testing Newman. So, and follow these steps, and it is easy to do that. Okay, so that's it. And now let's go and do the last one, collection. I want to try here. So I'll try here. Okay, I'll try here. Insomnia, I'll show you. Insomnia, how to create a collections, how to run them. Okay, so let's go and start here. So I'll create a one collection here. So let's go and do the collection. So I will do a collection. Add certificate. Let me try. Get it. I'll give request API. So May 17, 2024. Okay. So documents request, right? This one. So I will add a new request. Add the new request. New HTTP request. I'll just create a, so first understand this. What are the request.in? So request.in is the base URL. And this is the, I want to list out all the users. So if you want this endpoint URL, just copy paste this there. So then headers, I want to give headers, accept to add. All right, I will add. So add, accept. So for this APIs, you don't need authorization token. This is free. These are all free APIs. Anybody can use. So application forward/JSON and add one more. So content hyphen type. So here is the one you're getting automatically. That's what. So application. So automatically we should get same as so JSON. Okay, fine. Now save it. Now you send this. See, you got a response 200 okay, and all the output you got. So this is the JSON and this is the array. And in this JSON, you have a page, field, per page, total, all this, right? This is the response body. So you can configure this. This is the request and this is the response. You split it. So basically I split the pane. So right hand side response pane, left middle pane is my request pane, and leftmost is my collection name and collection request. So let's just change this. What is the name? I'll change it. Just change this. Get all users. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so this looks good, right? This is also looks good. Okay. And so I'll delete this. Okay. I don't want this. Delete this. Okay. Now this is the one. So request we filtered out. So we created a one, get all users. Get all users. See, this is the one user. This is another user. Another user. In the array, data array, you have many users. The array is ending here and support URL text. So this is the how your output and 200 work, but we need to write the test cases. So, and description is not, and headers, this one, uh, so documents. So there's so many support is there. New collection, new document, new mock server, import, URL, clipboard, git clone. Even you can clone directly into this. So if there is a collections, you can clone directly into this and Postman. So, so I don't have any documents, but I'm just looking for. I'm just checking where can we add path parameters, body, headers. prerequisite script. So can we add here the test cases? Request manipulation, add a header, remove header, update auth method, variable snippets. Okay, here it is. You can add here. Same we have in the Postman also, right? Get environment variable, set environment variable, set clear an environment variable, clear environment variable. You can write some variables, but here everything you have to write. So maybe pm dot test get all users status code see how we did here. So this one, yeah. So I want to set it and copy. Okay. So here I'll just create get all users status code is 200. So this one, and then uh, get all users. So, and I'm just taking, okay, instead of PM, it's automatically changing to insomnia. Insomnia dot response dot JSON. So JSON data dot collection dot name. Okay. So these are all, it's up to you what we name, what is the name. Here name is not there. I'll give page, right? Page. So page is equal to 2, right? It's a 2. And so environment variable, we are not setting anything. So I want to do a validation of all this. So one array variable also, I'll try to get it, okay? Yeah, let's take so different variable. So first, uh, I'll take a total also. Total, total, that is 12. So then I will use data array first element email. So collection, there is no collection here, right? Directly, this is the page in JSON data dot. So we are making some mistakes. There is no collection here. The collection is not at all. Directly JSON data dot total. JSON data dot page. JSON data dot data. So data of 0 first, and then I can get email. So let's get email. So that email is equal to, so what is that email? This is the one. First element email. Same thing you can get first name, last name. I'm going to get it. See, first underscore name. So what is this first name? Michael. So this one, last underscore name. So that's it. Okay. So these are test cases you can add in the see anyway, even in insomnia also. There we are using a PM dot test, right? Here we are using insomnia dot test. So that's it. Let's see what is going to pass or fail. Where can we see the results? So we have that is more convenient than this. See, we don't have option to see that also. There is a console also in the that there, right? But here there is no console to see this logs. So where can we see logs? Hmm. So I'm just checking. Logs are not there. So where can we find logs? Console logs. Browse plugin, generate new plugin, reveal plugin. Yeah, so little bit weird this one. I'll switch back to this one only because we don't have a here like you can see console output here, right? So that we don't have, and the test cases pass or fail you don't have. There are some drawbacks also. I agree, but let's create here new collection. This is the problem, but still we can create new collection, rename it regress May 17, 2024. Where is that? Here it is. Okay. So here we got, and you can see first one, get, quickly do this. So very quick, it will finish. Headers, accept, application JSON, content type, application JSON, and go to scripts, and you can write. So what are the test scripts we developed here? Let me bring this there. It will automatically take PM dot. So here it should take PM. So PM is not taking PM. Dot. Okay. So we're good. Let's run this now. So get all users, just rename, get all users. So run this. See, one test case failed. Okay, so this one failed. Insomnia. Oh, okay. Where is the insomnia still? Okay, here. em dot. Expected to deeply to. Okay, so this is not a string, and that's why it is throwing error. It's a number. Okay, it's a number. That's why it is throwing error. See, now both are passed. So same way you generate the next, get a single, duplicate it. So get single user. So get single user. So this is the endpoint. Rename it. Get single user. Get single user.